Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to earn passive income in crypto with the Tron coin. The ticker for the Tron coin is TRX, so I'll either call it Tron or TRX in this video, but it's basically the same thing. So I'm going to use a secondary account as an example to show you how to set this up. First, you want to buy the Tron coin, and you can use the Tron Scan wallet. You can buy your coins on some exchange and send them to the Tron Scan wallet. You just want to click receive, and then here's going to be your address. So step one is just getting your Tron in the Tron wallet. After that happens, the Tron blockchain has a staking feature. Basically, you can stake your coins and you can get a yield. So at the end of the video, I'll switch over to my other account and I'll show you how to claim your yield. But right now, I'm going to show you how to set up staking. So right now, you can get up to 4.91% APY. This fluctuates a little bit. I think I've seen it around 6% at times. And you're going to be able to vote for different representatives, and those different representatives will give you different yield. So you kind of have some options to play with. But first thing, like I said, you need Tron in your account. So I have 1100 here. And then we're going to want to click on get resources. But you can get energy or bandwidth. So you're going to kind of want both of them, but you get 1500 bandwidth per day. So you're going to be able to do some transactions. So you probably just want to stake for energy or get a lot of energy and a little bit of bandwidth. So you can do two different stakes to set this up if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and get all energy. So we got bandwidth and energy. I'm just going to make sure I'm on energy. And then how many TRX do we want to stake? I have 1100 in my wallet, but I'm just going to do 1000. Receiving address is my address, of course, and click confirm. It's going to give me this pop-up. It's going to show how much bandwidth will be used, and just click sign. So now if we want to actually gain rewards, we're going to want to vote. So I'm going to click on vote to earn rewards, and now we can select who we want to vote for. You also want to research and see what these guys are about, obviously, to make sure you're not voting for someone stupid. So let's click vote. Once you click vote, it'll show you like the highest rewards. But I'm just going to do this one right here. I have 1000 votes, so just keep clicking this till it goes to 1000. Click vote. Confirm to vote. It's going to give me the pop-up to confirm. Uses 271 bandwidth. Sign. Okay. So just like that, we voted. So we'll go back to my main screen now, and I'm all set up. I've staked my TRX. I've voted, and now I'm ready to earn rewards. So once the voting rewards start coming through, I'll start earning TRX here, and I'll be able to click claim. Also, bandwidth and energy will allow you to do free transactions. So that's something cool about the Tron network. When you stake your Tron, you're going to be able to get free transactions. If you don't stake, you're going to have to pay a fee for every transaction. So you stake, you vote, you get free transactions, and you're going to get rewarded. So not a bad deal. And if you ever want to unstake, you can just come to Stake 2.0, My Stake, and unstake TRX. You can just click max and unstake it. And I think with the new staking, there's a 14-day period from when you unstake until you can actually do anything with those funds. So just note that. I'm going to switch over to my other account. I'll show you the rewards that I'm getting there and how to claim those. So I'm going to blur out a lot of stuff on this screen. But you can see I have 212 TRX for rewards. I can claim that. Confirm. It's going to give me this pop-up. Click sign. And just like that, the rewards have been claimed, and those are available in my account. I can restake them. I can come over here to SunSwap and swap that for USD. It's like this is $16 in rewards. And yeah, that's how that works. You get rewards, and then you can restake the rewards or sell them or do whatever you want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, found it interesting, learned something. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.